You are pinning your products consistently on Pinterest for months. You have used the right set of keywords and multiple product images, but your views and impressions are still not turning into revenue. There is nothing wrong with your products or your effort, but it comes down to the small details you might be overlooking on Pinterest. Here are the 5 mistakes you might be making on the platform that are stopping your pin saves from turning into actual sales. And if you want beginner-friendly strategies to grow your small business on Pinterest, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the first mistake. Pinterest is not social media. It is a visual search engine. People are in browsing mode and not in a buying mindset. So expecting quick traffic or instant sales within a few months will only frustrate you. Instead, focus on the right goal. Pinterest works best when you use it for long-term traffic to your store, your website, and even your other platforms like Instagram, blog, or your YouTube channel. It helps you future-proof your brand because one well-performing pin can continue bringing in views and clicks months or even years later. This is one of the most common mistakes small businesses make on Pinterest. You are creating beautiful pins, but there is no clear way for people to actually find your store. If your brand name is not visible on the images, if your pins are not linked to the right image, or if there is no clear call to action to visit your website, people may save your content but never visit your website. And when your pins get shared by others, you completely lose that traffic. Every pin should make it easy for someone to know who you are and where to find you. It is not enough to just upload product images on Pinterest. This is a highly visual platform and people naturally engage with content that stands out. If your images are blurry, dull, or lack a clear focus, they're going to get ignored. You need high quality visuals with a strong sense of branding so that your pins feel intentional and recognizable. It is not just about making your products look good. It is about creating a mood, a lifestyle, and a feeling that people want to be a part of. When someone lands on your profile, they should immediately understand your brand and feel curious enough to explore further even before making a purchase. I highly recommend studying this brand that is already doing well on Pinterest. You can check their link in the description below. Pay attention to the visuals, their board categories, and how everything feels so consistent. It is less about pushing a sale and more about creating an experience and vibe that people want to come back to. If you're posting the same links or images repeatedly within a short period of time, Pinterest may start treating your account as spam. This can limit your reach without you even realizing it. Instead of repeating the same pins, focus on spacing out your content and creating variations in your designs, keywords, and links. Pinterest rewards accounts that feel natural and consistent over time, not the ones trying to push volume in a short period of time. You can also use Pinterest trends to understand when certain keywords perform well, so you can plan your content in advance and post at the right time. Consistency is important, but posting without direction will not get you results. If you are not spending time on keyword research, analyzing your competitors, or understanding what kind of content actually works, then you are just feeding meaningless content into the algorithm without any purpose. You need a simple system where you plan your pins, track what you're posting, and understand what is working. When you combine consistency with strategy, that is when Pinterest actually starts driving the right audience to your business. If you are just getting started with Pinterest, I highly recommend watching this next video so you don't end up overthinking or procrastinating. Pinterest takes time, but starting early gives you a huge advantage because you learn what works while your content is slowly building momentum in the background. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more realistic tips on Pinterest marketing for a small business.